Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are looking at Lobivia maximiliana, one of my all-time favourite Lobivia. Absolutely marvellous flowers, super saturated and bright, pink on the outer and yellow on the throat. They do flower quite heavily, and they have a beautiful body with lovely golden spines as well. This plant is growing in near 100% mineral mix, which most of my cacti do. In terms of the light requirements, they require strong light. Lobivia love light, so give them plenty of sun after they've acclimated if you've recently purchased them. Water requirements are moderate to high. You can get away with watering them less, but if you want them to grow, give them a little bit more water. They will require a decent amount of fertilizer in order to flower well, and the best times to do this are in spring, when they're first waking up, after the second or third water for the season if you observe a winter rest like I do, and then again in the autumn time, around 2 or 3 waters prior to entering the winter rest. That'll make sure they've got everything they need to put on these magnificent blooms. This is a seed-grown plant, but they can also be degrafted quite easily as well. I think Lobivia are often overlooked as being common, but they are and will forever always will be one of my favourite genus of cacti. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!